windy, warm, and dry day here in Southwest Florida. The significance of that is the risk is out there for more fires.
That is right. So let's go ahead and bring in Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley. So what are we looking at for this morning? Is there any relief on the way at all?
You got to wait till Thursday night, Friday. We're going to be looking at a frontal boundary moving through the state, bringing in the chances from shower activity. But until we get there, it's going to be dry, it's going to be windy, it's going to be hot. And we all know that means, yeah, probably more fires, unfortunately. Let's take a look at what we're expecting today. Extreme fire danger, likely. Anything that can create a spark can ignite a brush fire. That's why we're being very cautious today, especially with the windy conditions that we are expecting to develop as the day goes on. Let's take a look at just humidity projections for today. It's going to be slightly higher than we saw yesterday. Yesterday we saw about 12-15%. It's going to be right around 30% this afternoon. It's because we're looking at a little bit more of those southeasterly winds. It's going to start to increase humidity the next couple of days. But even with that said, blowing conditions, dry conditions, that means anything that starts is going to spread very quickly, especially when you have very dry conditions out there. Actually, speaking of dry conditions, Lee County is the driest county in the entire state right now, followed by Charlotte and Sarasota County, even parts of Collier County, especially closer to the coastline. Yeah, you're looking at pretty dry conditions there as well. And you add this all together, it leads to red flag conditions. That's why we do have that red flag warning for you. Starts at 2 p.m. today till 7 p.m. tonight. And forecasting very high fire danger in Lee County, Charlotte County in the high range. The rest of us forecasted in moderate, but we've been running higher than the forecasted numbers. So I wouldn't surprise me to see Lee County, Charlotte County end up in the extreme category, and those moderates probably end up closer to that high range when everything's said and done. Now, in terms of temperatures today, 90 degrees. We're forecasting Fort Myers, LaBelle, and Immokalee flirting with records again, probably be a degree or two shy, but still a very warm day out there. Another sunny day here in Southwest Florida. Really very little in terms of clouds as we get in towards the afternoon hours. Makes for a nice day to be outside, but again, if you're outside, please be careful out there. Now, in terms of tonight, we are looking at mostly clear skies, staying breezy, 71 degrees, getting down to about 10-15 mile-an-hour winds here tonight, and then we do it again tomorrow. Breezy conditions, higher fire danger. Again, you got to wait till Thursday night, tomorrow night, until we get that frontal boundary a little bit closer towards us, and that's going to bring in those chance of showers late Thursday into Friday morning. And we're going to keep that shower threat around. That frontal boundary is going to kind of stall out just to the north of us. Finally, go to another push of some moisture Saturday, Sunday, and then moves on out. But looking maybe some drier conditions early next week, so we'll have to keep an eye on that moving ahead.
You really need that rain.